Hi, welcome to today's design inspiration video, where we explore the beautiful fusion of modern elegance and French country charm. This combination results in spaces that feel timeless, refined, and full of character. Let's take a look at how these two distinct styles come together.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
In this video, you'll discover numerous examples of modern elegance combined with French country charm in home interior design and decor. As I showcase these samples, I'll also provide explanations of this home style, offering ideas and inspiration to help you bring it to life in your own space. Let's start this video. The fusion of modern elegance and French country charm creates a harmonious blend that balances contemporary sophistication with a rustic warmth. The result is a living space that feels both luxurious and inviting, where sleek, modern elements meet the timeless charm of French countryside aesthetics. This combination brings an inviting, comfortable atmosphere with a refined elegance that can be adapted to various tastes and preferences. For number 1, we are focusing on color palette. The color scheme is anchored in neutral tones such as soft whites, beiges, and grays, accented with muted pastels, deep blues, and earthy hues. These shades create a serene atmosphere that allows the natural textures and materials of the home to shine, providing a soft and welcoming backdrop for the space. Next on number 2, we are focusing on furniture. A blend of modern furnishings with clean lines and sleek silhouettes is complemented by vintage or French-inspired pieces. Distressed wood tables, upholstered armchairs, and elegant French provincial dressers offer a juxtaposition of the modern and the rustic, infusing the space with character and history. Now is number 3 for textiles. Natural fabrics such as linen, cotton, and wool in soft, muted shades or floral patterns play a key role in adding warmth to the design. Velvet and leather accents bring an element of opulence, while throw pillows, cozy blankets, and slipcovers make the home feel both refined and welcoming. Next is number 4, natural materials. Wooden floors, exposed beams, and stone walls are essential in creating the rustic warmth of French country interiors. These natural elements are paired with sleek modern touches, such as glass, metal, and marble, achieving a balanced aesthetic that feels both organic and sophisticated. For number 5 is lighting. Lighting fixtures serve as statement pieces, merging modern minimalism with classic French elegance. Crystal chandeliers, lantern-style pendant lights, and sconces pair seamlessly with contemporary floor lamps and recessed lighting, offering ambient and task lighting that highlights the beauty of both styles. The next is number 6, decorative accessories. French antiques, such as ornate mirrors, vintage clocks, and ceramic vases filled with fresh flowers, add personality and charm to the space. Modern artwork or abstract sculptures introduce a contemporary edge, creating a dynamic visual interest throughout the room. And now for number 7, that is layout and flow. Open concept floor plans are a hallmark of this design, encouraging a natural flow between rooms. Modern kitchens with sleek cabinetry and large islands are seamlessly integrated with cozy living and dining areas, often furnished with French-inspired antiques. The architecture emphasizes high ceilings, sweeping hallways, and arched doorways, enhancing the airy, spacious feel of the home. Let's go to number 8, outdoor connection. French doors or large windows that open up to a patio or garden area provide an effortless connection between the indoors and outdoors. This transition allows natural light to fill the space, enhancing the home's charm and offering a seamless flow from relaxation indoors to the beauty of the landscape outside. Number 9 is combining traditional and contemporary. The beauty of this style lies in the combination of old-world charm and contemporary luxury. For example, modern minimalist light fixtures might hang next to a traditional French crystal chandelier, or a sleek, modern sofa could sit beside a rustic wood coffee table. This fusion of new and old creates a unique balance of comfort, style, and sophistication. Number 10 is about personalized details and smart technology. The French country emphasis on personalization is perfectly complemented by modern luxury. Vintage artwork, personal heirlooms, and functional yet stylish decorative accents blend seamlessly with the integration of smart technology, such as hidden speakers, recessed lighting, and climate control systems. These modern features enhance the home's luxury while preserving its traditional charm. Number 11 is creating a cozy yet refined atmosphere. The overall goal of modern elegance meets French country charm is to create a cozy yet refined atmosphere. Every element, from the textures and materials to the layout and lighting, works together to make the space inviting while maintaining a sense of sophistication and luxury. In conclusion, modern elegance meets French country charm offers a timeless and welcoming design that effortlessly balances modern sophistication with rustic French warmth. This style creates a home that feels luxurious, comfortable, and inviting, with an aesthetic that will stand the test of time. Whether it's through the juxtaposition of textures, open flow of spaces, or personalized details, this design style provides a space that is both dynamic and relaxing. This harmonious blend of styles allows homeowners to enjoy the best of both worlds, refined modernity paired with the enduring charm of French country design. By incorporating natural materials like stone and wood alongside sleek finishes and clean lines, this aesthetic achieves a perfect equilibrium between tradition and innovation. Each element, from vintage-inspired lighting fixtures to contemporary furnishings, contributes to a cohesive and layered interior that feels both curated and effortless. It's a design approach that not only enhances the beauty of a home but also elevates its functionality, making it an ideal choice for those who seek timeless elegance and everyday comfort.